from the news center in high definition, this is News Channel 8 on your side at 5:30.
And downtown Tampa is going to be a hotbed of activity come convention week. But what if you work downtown and you don't want to be part of the RNC frenzy? What are your rights? Some downtown companies are remaining open, others are closing. Either way, it will not be business as usual. The view from Tampa's tall towers is awesome. Some 55,000 workers commute in and out of downtown every day. But with 50,000 additional RNC folks soon flooding the streets, downtown businesses are having to make big decisions.
We are going to remain open during the RNC, but we've given our individuals an opportunity to come earlier and leave early before things actually start happening for the RNC.
Rhea Law is the CEO of the Fowler White Boggs law firm in downtown Tampa, and this is the view from her office.
We want to be here to see what's going on. This is a unique event. We'll probably never see another one in our lifetime. And we have a front row seat. You can see the forum from our office.
But not all downtown workers share her enthusiasm. Concerns range from traffic trouble to tear gas should protesters get out of hand.
One of the things we're doing is letting people come into the building to park. And we'll have police assistance in getting both in and out of the parking garage. Everyone will be credentialed, so people will not be coming in here when they shouldn't.
What about the options for employees who don't want any part of it?
Well, they certainly can take time off, and some of them are.
8 on Your Side found out just being afraid of the potential for problems is not going to be a good enough excuse for not showing up for work.
I don't think that employees have the ability to just self-select and say, I'm not coming to work today because I'm scared.
Fowler White labor attorney Heather Brock says employees need to be careful.
You may be violating your company's attendance policy, and that may put you in hot water personally and professionally.
Brock says companies do have an obligation to provide a safe workplace. However, companies do not have a duty to offer protection from the entire outside world.
If they have a legitimate fear based on something, it'd be something that they should talk to their employer about and see if there are alternate arrangements that can be made. But that's got to be balanced with the employer's need to serve its clients and do its business.
A few other pieces of advice for downtown workers: carpool with coworkers to ease traffic congestion. All companies are recommending that. If you have safety concerns, discuss them with your employer ahead of time. And as Heather Brock put it, it's probably better in this case to ask for permission ahead of time instead of forgiveness later. We've seen this coming. This is nothing new, right?
Well, and there's so much unknown, and I think that concerns people. You say, well, I'm concerned, but then do you really need to be concerned? There's so much going on.
And then add a storm into the mix, a potential for
that might be a reason to take the week off right there. But coming up next tonight, a major